Those are just my Cadbury mini eggs into my air fryer. Three bananas, 1 egg, and 2. Perfect, no shells. Now I'm coming in with my pure vanilla and I'm gonna put a heaping teaspoon in there. 1 cup of pure brown sugar. We're just gonna eyeball that. That looks good. Now I'm adding in some chopped walnuts, just a few that I had left over. All right, I'm just gonna break up these bananas into smaller pieces. We're just gonna kind of combine, especially all of our center ingredients here. Our eggs, I'm just gonna whip them up a little bit. We're making a super delicious, easy breakfast. I think y'all are really gonna like this. It's gonna go so well. Perfect for Easter morning. You can break up your eggs if you want to and make them smaller, but I'm just leaving them intact because they will crack a little bit as the heat gets to them. Now I'm gonna come in with a couple of heaping cups of my whole grain oats. We're making this healthy. Probably about 4 cups for that amount of bananas. And I'm gonna throw in some milk. I just have skim, but you can put in whatever kind you have. We're gonna put in about a cup of milk. Alrighty, I'm gonna give this a good stir. This is gonna incorporate in here so nicely. Everything coming together. Those bananas replace the oil. Like I said, this is a healthier version of one of my favorite breakfasts, and it's gonna be so perfect for Easter morning with the family, with the kids. I think you all are really, really going to enjoy this. Oh my gosh, look at that. And those eggs are just so colorful and pretty in there. Oh, I love it. All right, I'm adding a few more eggs on top. These are the milk chocolate. I don't like them quite as much, but you gotta use what you got. And this is what we got. Beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna pop this into my air fryer here. We're gonna air fry this, 350, and I'm putting it in for 20 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, it was 20 minutes. Look how perfectly baked that is. I think it's cute that the eggs kind of cracked a little bit on top. That's just what happens when you put them in the heat. But I think this is so pretty with these pastel Easter colors. We're gonna have some chocolate inside, the bananas replacing that oil, our oats. Wow. And y'all, I love baked oatmeal. It is just so, so delicious. Oh my goodness. And that was just 20 minutes, super, super easy. Look at that. The banana flavor is so good. Y'all, you gotta try it.